My dear friends, colleagues, research scholars, scientists, and respected professors, all the Indians who publish the research paper in India or in abroad, I have a suggestion and a request, and more than these two words, the awareness, which is more important. And you will also surprised when you came to know about this fact that how you can change the scenario of publication house of India at the world level. You know that I have just studied SJR report and came to know that in 2016 more than 19,000 research paper published. All these papers are basically in well reputed journals. Those are indexed in Scopus and related agencies. So one can say that all these 19,000, more than 19,000 papers are quality publications. And these papers are from physics side and from India. While in 2004 the number of publication was around, if I show you, it was around less than 6,000. So just imagine in 2016 we have published 19,000 research paper, and most of the papers was published in foreign physics journals. So how Indian community, research community contributing to raise the quality of research journals of the foreign origin? It is really a important point here, and you have to rethink about to it that the Indian Academy of Science publishing Parmana journals, that how many of us quote the reference of that relevant paper in our regular or conference articles. Why we people are hesitate to quote the research paper of Indian origin scientist and also to the Indian origin publications, that means journal. If 19,000 papers published from the Indian origin scientists, right, if somehow they quote one paper of the Indian origin based journal, do you know the impact factor of the journal? One-sided we say that there is no reputed physics journal. I have just focused on the physics journal. So on the other hand, you are not contributing. Please understand this point. My concern and worried about to this point, we can do this thing, but somehow or because of some other reason, we are not doing that right thing. We are taking the reference of the foreign journals, and because of that we are contributing to uplift the quality of those journals, and we are contributing to improve their impact factor also, because citation is the only key which raise the quality of journals. And here in India, how many of us publish the research paper in Parmana? And how many of us we take the reference of that journal? I have just observed this thing also, and just came to know those people also who publish the research paper in Parmana not prefer to take the reference itself of the Parmana paper. My request, humble request, if you are not aware about to this point, that how you can improve the quality of any journal, of any Indian journal, and the reputation of the Indian journal around the world, just take any relevant reference in your research article once and every time at least one reference of the relevant research paper which published from the Indian origin journals, and see the difference after 2 years, the reputation of the Indian physics journals. This point actually I came to know, as I told earlier also, that I am associated with the publication, and this is one of the important factor where we are basically indirectly contributing. The reference sometimes is necessary to quote, and sometimes we just we know that things, we include that. And sometimes you have seen that from a particular journal, a particular referee quote that you take this reference in your article. What is that thing? Have you think about it? The reason of this, that I don't want to share this information, but I want to request, I have a request to you, that please consider at least one reference of Indian origin based physics journal in your articles. And further, my request is, if you are catching this point, please share this information with others also. I hope I have made my point clear to everyone, that how the Indian origin researcher can contribute to uplift the quality of Indian based publication house. There are so many things to share here that I will discuss with you systematically, that how number of publications are increasing, how number of citation is decreasing. That's a different point I will share in different video, but please understand my concern. This is not related to my or our physics journal. It is associated with the reputation of Indian based basically publication houses. Parmana is our own journals. Indian Academy of Science publishing that. At least one can take the reference of that journal. And all those papers published you in Parmana are quality publication. So if you want that in India grow in this field also, you have to understand this point. Please, I am repeating again with request and by heart, that I want to bring actually this point in a different point of view, but with the proper documentation. But personally I thought that I share this information in a video. So please just take one reference in your research article of the Indian origin based publication journal. So the Indian journals get the reputation around the world, and there is a lobby of the publication houses around the world, as I understood. So I don't want to say such kind of information and don't want to interact like this, but this is my personal request. Please consider it and share the information with other also, so one can contribute in this way to uplift the research quality publication of India. Thanks.